Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning on notifications for the apps whose content you want to see. Open Settings and go to Notifications. Tap the specific app, then toggle Allow Notifications. Once done, make sure Lock Screen Visibility or Show on Lock Screen is enabled so the system will deliver content while the device is locked. This step ensures messages arrive. Without it, nothing will appear. If prompted about sensitive content or private mode, choose the option to show full content to view message previews on the lock screen. Next, control whether notifications display full content or just the app name. In Notifications, tap Show Previews or Notification Content and select Always to see content on the lock screen, or when unlocked if you prefer privacy until authentication. Additionally, review per app privacy settings. Some apps let you hide details while still showing alerts. These choices balance convenience and security. Choose Always Only if you accept the privacy trade-off, because anyone holding your phone could read those previews. Finally, verify everything works. Lock the phone and have someone send a test message or trigger a notification. If you don't see content, make sure Do Not Disturb or any focus profile isn't suppressing alerts. Toggle them off and retest. Restarting the device often clears lingering permission states, and if needed, reset the specific app's notification settings and re-enable lock screen visibility. If problems persist, double-check device-level privacy or managed profile rules that can override your selections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.